I don't know if y'all ready for this one. Grab your lighters. I am not a smoker, but when you visit the mixtape, it's almost as if you're tripping on something. I walked in and it was as if I hit the pipe. Or that's what I would imagine, because it was just out of this world, like crazy imaginative. So has anybody ever seen Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory? Yeah, Johnny Depp, it was that type of trip. I mean, you walk in and they give you these 3D glasses. Those were cool. All these different colors and just different things jumping out at you. I was like, are those bubbles? I don't know what it was, but you can see me walking up like, what is that? Is it real? You wanted to just kind of stick your hand out to see if it was real. Flamingos, wow. Yeah, this is one of those ones where the art was amazing. It was just a nice little chill spot. Then for a minute, like I said, you really feel like you're tripping. Look, you're walking throughout and I'm like, I've not smoked, but am I high? I really do think this was one of those stoner locations. It was cool nonetheless. Club love. Then they had these little slides and just, it was innocent, but just, I can't even describe it. You would really have to go. Definitely something you want to experience. I mean, of course, we went during COVID and it wasn't crowded at all, which I enjoyed. Didn't enjoy this slide though. See me trying to get out. All these little nooks and crannies and just different weird spots. Really, art at its best. I'll tell you that. Art with the music. I mean, I can't even explain this, you guys. Look at the lights. And it was like a maze. I'm like, did we just come through this part? I didn't know what to think. I still don't know what to think. It makes for great photographs. Just interesting. There was one little part where you look inside and you see these little characters and the different scenarios that they had. You see me touching everything. Remember I said I like to touch stuff. Look, I think it's a beat or something. I don't know. Just eccentric. Totally eccentric. Yeah, they had this gift shop afterwards and I bought the mixtape, but I took it as a souvenir. But you can also download the app and get the online and digital versions of the songs free. So definitely check this out. It's one of those things that makes you go, Yeah.